Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to create this beautiful watercolor vibrant pattern page. So let's get started. So for this painting I'm using this 300 GSM cold pressed paper. It is a watercolor paper and I love the texture of this one, and the size is 6 by 8 inches and it is 100% cotton paper. For the colors I'm just using any regular watercolor paints that you have. I got it from a local store, but the quality is really good. So whatever watercolors do you have, you can use it. Now I will just spray my watercolors just to activate them. Also afterwards I will be using my glitter, my shimmery watercolors, and I have two of those. I will decide which one I will be using, but for now I have kept both. For the brushes I will be using one big flat brush. This is a sweeper brush and it is very good to dampen the paper. And then I have two mop brushes. This is a mop brush and this one is number 3 and this one is number 5, and then I have one round brush which is number 2, just to give some details. I also have my paper towel just in case, and I have my water here. So let's get started with this one. And first, the first step is take any flat brush, any big flat brush, and just use a generous amount of water to dampen the paper. So I'm going to take this flat brush and just put a good amount of water, and then all the paper, every corner should be properly wet, properly damp. If your paper is not nicely damp or nicely wet, then your watercolors might not mix the way they should. So when you damp your paper, it will fold like this, like mine, but you will have to just push it down and then you can use it. You can see the shine. I have properly dampened the paper, and this way you can also check if every corner is wet or not. And now we will go ahead and start using our paints. So for that I'm going to use this number 3 mop brush. You can use any big round brush as well. For this one, let's go ahead and use this blue. I love this blue. Let's use this one, and let me just put a clip here. Yeah, so I'm going to use this blue, and then in no particular direction I'm just going to place the water wherever I feel like. So I will start from here and see how it expands over the wet sheet. And if your paper is not properly damp, then it will not spread like this. See the effect? I love this. This is like a magic. Just play around. Don't worry about a definite pattern. Just do whatever you like. Just play with colors. And now I'm going to use a different color which I want to use. Let me take this green. It's very muted and a pale kind of green, cool toned green. And then I will just place it in between. Let me also mix it with a little lighter green. let me just remove this one and then drop some color here. It's absolutely your wish what colors you want to put. If you want to intensify this blue, just take some more and just drop a little more color. Don't be afraid to mix colors. Just follow your heart. Only then you will enjoy this painting. And I think I've dropped enough color and I'm happy with how this pattern looks. And now I will either let it air dry, or to speed up the process, I will just dry it with a hair dryer or a heat dryer or heat gun. Okay, so I will be back when I dry this. And after it has dried up, it looks like this, and I love the effect of this one. There is a patch, and it looks so natural. So I love this one. And now let's use different colors to make some patterns on this one. So let's have some more fun with it. To add some patterns, I will be using a darker shade of blue. Let me use this blue and I will mix a little bit of black with it. So let's move ahead and mix these two colors. And now I'm going to use the same mop brush. You can use a smaller brush if you are not comfortable using a big brush. So let's move ahead, and in no particular order, let's start making some leaves. Start from here. Let me make some leaves. For the leaves, all you have to do is start from one end, just press your brush against the paper and then just drag it outwards, and then do the same on the other side. And this way you have a beautiful leaf. If you do not like the color to be transparent, you can add a little more color like I'm doing. And now let's move ahead and make more leaves. And now let me put some leaves here. Don't be stressed out just to make the leaves perfectly. The more rough and imperfect they are, the more perfect they will be. So the more natural they will be looking. So just go in any direction and just enjoy yourself. Let me just use a very light wash of the same color that I have used, just to give a blurred effect at the background for the leaves. So I will just wash my brush, take lots and lots of this water, and just take a little bit of paint and then just give a little pigment and make paint leaf, just to give a blurred effect in the background, just like you see here. Let me put one here. Let me take one more here. Like this. And you can add as many as you like, but please be sure that you make them very light so that it doesn't overpower the darker ones. And this one is enough, and now I will let it dry. So now this one has completely dried up, and now it's ready to put some more metallic detailing. So let's get ahead and do that. So for that I have decided to use these paints, but the only shade that I'm going to use is this golden shade and might be this copper shade. And now I will be using this round brush, and I will take this golden shade, and now in no particular pattern, just do doodling as you would normally do. Choose any petals that you want to put detail on, like this one. I will just put some line, and then I will put some line just on the side, and on this I will put some dots. It's completely your choice how you want to do it and in which petal you want to do it. So for example, here I want to make one swirl like this, and in this one I would want to do some lines. Put some dots wherever you like. I will create some petals here on this side. So let me use this white pen and do some more doodling with it wherever I feel like. So just get more creative. And lastly, I would use my black pen and I will put some more details with this one. You can go ahead and use the watercolor for the outlines, but I prefer the pen. So let's use this one. That is it, and I feel this one looks really beautiful. Just look at the detailing, and without following any pattern, it looks so beautiful. all you have to do is be creative, use your own patterns, just do whatever you feel like. I love the golden reflex to it, and see how much detailing and how much effect it gives. The black pen, the white pen, and the golden glitter. And also we did the background very mixed and vibrant. I enjoyed doing this one, and you can use different colors, you can use the same colors, you can use different patterns, you can draw anything else apart from the leaves. It's all up to you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me, and I get motivated to make more such videos. So please hit that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.